Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code extension which will actually allows you to print statements of all the programming languages. So this is the extension. Just print it. So it's used by almost 173,000 developers. So it basically supports multiple programming languages, and once you click the install button and enable this extension, so what it will do, it will basically add a shorthand notation. Let's suppose you're working in a Java file and you just want to print something. So what you do, you basically write here system, you just want to print something. So you just write here print, this shortcut will come right here. You press the enter key and this will write this, automatically fill out this syntax, and then you will print. Same goes with the C++ file as well. You just write print and automatically this will add this. So you just need to add the print keyword and enter, and then it will fill out the syntax for the respective programming language. This is your CPP C++ file. Same goes with Python as well. If you just want to print something, you can see that. So it supports multiple languages on their documentation. If you go just print it, you can see it also supports PHP as well, C sharp. If you just create a C sharp file, just write print, you can see that. So it will save you a lot of time, because you no longer need to write the full syntax. Just write print, and then it will fill out the necessary syntax. It also supports JavaScript file as well. So if you just create a JavaScript file, if you just want to put console log statements here, you will see how fast it is. It's also support TypeScript, R, Go language as well, Rust, Ruby, Objective-C. So all the major languages are supported right here. Definitely install this extension. It will save you a lot of time. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.